Everyone at Copart, Louis here. Good to see you all again and show off the new car. Obviously, first off, here it is. This is the Dallara DW12 chassis. It's pretty nice and red and black. So yeah, still got Copart on the side. So thankful to have you guys on board as well this year, as per usual. So yeah, firstly, obviously, been a long off season. So I hope you all guys had a good winter, a good Christmas and New Year with your family and everything. Going to give you a quite quick insight into so far what's been going on here with Ray Hall Lanigan Racing, my new team for the year in IndyCar. Debut season for me as a rookie. There's a lot of differences between this and Indy Next. It's a bigger car, a lot more horsepower, a lot more grip, longer races as well. We have pit stops, fuel saving, a lot of things going on. So that's going to be interesting for me as a rookie. So far, it's been a lot of preparation in the off season. I've had 3 test days so far. Getting to grips with the car. It's a hybrid car as well, so we've got to manage that as well. So managing that system is quite difficult. It's also new for IndyCar. So that's a big new thing for me. Pit stops, like I said, that's a big thing. Fuel saving, also having to learn that. So those are the main things so far. But super looking forward to getting out there. We start at St. Pete next weekend at the start of March, first weekend of March. And yeah, I think it's going to be a great year. We've put a lot of preparation into it, and we're really looking forward to the Indy 500 coming up at the end of May. That's going to be our big race of the year. So hopefully you all can watch along and support. And yeah, thank you as always, and I'll see you soon.